Introducing Zmodo Greet Pro, a Wi-Fi doorbell and smart home hub. Featuring an ultra-wide 180-degree field of view. Dual-band Wi-Fi makes connecting to your router fast and easy. Hear your chime anywhere with the included Zmodo Beam. Beam also works as a Wi-Fi range extender, ensuring the Greet has great signal. See who's at the door and even speak with them, all through the Zmodo app.
Hi.
Hi, I've got a delivery for Mrs. Anderson.
Great, just leave it at the door, thanks.
Okay, no problem.
Greet saves video clips when motion is detected, even if nobody rings. Can't answer a door right away? Greet supports pre-recorded messages to play to your visitors.
Sorry, I can't come to the door right now. Please give me a call if it's urgent.
Review all your alerts in the Zmodo app. They're stored safely in the cloud for access up to 36 hours later. And when you don't want to be disturbed, Greet can be scheduled to silence the chime for a peaceful night of sleep. Zmodo's wireless cameras are compatible with our new cloud recording service. Each camera includes a free 30-day trial. Choose between our 7- and 30-day recording plans. Access your footage anywhere. Security is always the priority. That's why Zmodo's cloud recording uses bank-level encryption to protect your video.
Keep your family safe with the Skybell video doorbell. Skybell sends live video of your front door to your smartphone so you can always know who's at the door.
Can I help you?
Somebody report a power outage?
Everything's fine in this house.
You must be mistaken.
Okay.
Skybell has already helped customers prevent robberies before they happen. We also believe that the things that keep you safe should also keep you connected to the ones you love.
Daddy, I'm home from school and look what I made you.
Oh, that's great, sweetheart.
And make your life a little easier.
I have a package for Rachel.
Great, I'll be home soon. Can you leave it on the side of the house?
Sure.
Tired of visitors waking up your baby by pressing your doorbell? With the silent mode feature, you can turn off the indoor chime and still receive notifications on your phone. On sale now on Amazon Prime.
Our homes are getting smarter every day. We have smart TVs, smart locks, smart thermostats, and even smart fridges. As everything gets smarter, we start to realize the things that still aren't. Introducing the Skybell. Skybell is a direct replacement of your current doorbell with some extra features.
Hello? Hello. Package for St. Louis? Oh, awesome. Could you leave that at the front door, please? All right. Great. Thanks a lot.
It has a HD camera with a 185-degree field of view and built-in speaker, enabling two-way communication. Skybell is not just limited to your front door. It is weatherproof, so you can use it all around your house as security cameras, wherever you want to see, including indoors. Skybell also has infrared and lets you also see at night, even when your lights are off. Skybell installation is simple. Remove the old doorbell, attach Skybell, then secure it with the included security bolt. Skybell can run off existing power that your doorbell currently uses and doesn't require changing of batteries or running new wires. When Skybell senses motion or someone rings Skybell, you will receive notifications on your smart device. Then use your smart device to live view. Take a snapshot and even record directly to your smart device.
Yeah, hi, I'd like to report some suspicious activity at my house.
ICBell also gives you the ability to tie in with electronic and magnetic locks.
Hello?
Oh, hello, we're here at the house.
Okay, great. Let me give you access.
Giving you the ability to even let your guest in remotely.
Got it.
Great, thanks.
ICBell is a great add-on to rental homes, offices, pool areas, almost anywhere you would like to have extra security and remote access. So add convenience and security to your smart home and order a ICBell today.
Hi, returning your dress.
We're in the back. Come on in.
Hi there, you can leave the package outside. Thanks.
Hello? Can I help you?
Are you ready for this? Let's do this!
Defingo Video Doorbell, the smartest doorbell, allows all the situations in front of your home being under your radar anytime and anywhere you are. It has never been so easy of knowing around your house. Defingo Video Doorbell, equipped with 1.3 MP HD camera, has integrated with the most advanced state-of-the-art graphics correction and transmission technology to transform image much clearer and smoother. Water and dust-proof technology allows the Defingo doorbell last in any outdoor weather condition. Defingo Video Doorbell won't miss any visitor or package comes to your door, even when there is missed doorbell call.
Please leave a message after a beep sound.
Special delivery. Leaving your package at the door. Have a nice day.
Defingo offers 3-month free cloud storage service, allowing you to check every visit at any time. Group chatting function connects all family members through text and voice chatting in the app. Defingo Video Doorbell achieves to present best audio quality with two-way communication through our unique sound processing technology.
Baby, I'm here.
Oh, so sweet, come on in!
Some Defingo Smart Doorbell models are even equipped with remote unlocking function, which has become the best partner with our smart lock. Defingo equips military night vision camera, which allows you to see clearly even in the dark.
Alexa, show me the front door. Okay.
Defingo offers open development platform, which allows possible connection with any other smart devices. Defingo provides 24/7 home security protection. Defingo. Peace of your mind, anytime, anywhere.